Hey guys, my name is Emilio Espinoza, and welcome to this month's Market Sense for the month of October 2022. What do we know? Well, we know that since July, the Bank of Canada has increased their interest rates by 2.25%. What else do we know? We know the current inflation rate is at 6.9%. This means that obviously the government has no alternatives but to raise interest rates like they have. And the overnight rate as it stands today is at 3.75%. What does this all mean? Well, if we look at what happened in the month of October, we will see that there was sales of about 4,961 units. New listings were about 10,390. Month over month, sales were down about 1.5%, and new listings were down about 7.5%. Not shocking, not surprising, is we're in the fall market, and people are just really not sure what they want to do. A lot of sellers right now are trying to figure out, do I list? Do I wait? Are sunny days coming? Because right now they feel pretty. Another interesting number that we see for the month of October is the number of active listings, which right now is at 13,023, which is down about 3.78% from the month of September. Average price for the month of October, we see we're at $1,089,428. Not much has changed since the month of September, but again, it almost feels like the market is trying to catch its footings. It almost feels like people are kind of grounding themselves, but there's still a lot of uncertainty and volatility in the market. If we look at what happened in the month of October, a lot of those sales, those 4,961, you will note that about 46% were in the detached component or category. And the other one that was noticeably, interest of buyers was condos, which was 27% of that number that I just shared with you. You're seeing anywhere between 7 and 9% of that, those 4,000 and change sales are the semis, the condo townhouses, the townhouses, the freehold. But the two opposite ends, the detaches and the condos, are the ones that are getting the most traction. What'll be interesting is, where do we end up in final units sold? 2021 saw stupid numbers, crazy numbers. Over 121,000 sales. Every realtor, every person who traded in real estate, and even the investor thought they figured it out. They were real estate tycoons. They were the answer to real estate. As it stands, like I said, as it stands today, we've sold about 67,559 units. Where will we end up? My projection, somewhere around the 70 to 72,000. What does that mean? That means that we're going to be down about 40.8% from the previous year of 2021. Now that is shocking. Shocking in the sense that even though it poses an opportunity for buyers to buy, interest rates have risen, which makes the monthlies even more expensive. Shocking in the sense that a lot of those sellers that are looking to sell are rethinking selling today or in the near future until they feel the market has turned. Shocking in the sense of, if you're a renter today, you're paying about 20% more than you were a year ago. Let me break that down for you. A bachelor, it's about $2,000 average in the GTA. A one-bedroom unit, $2,400. Two bedrooms, you're in around $2,800, $2,900. And then three bedrooms, you're in around $3,300 to $3,500 per month that you're paying this year. And that's about 20 to 25% more than you were last year. So, sellers, buyers, renters, investors, this is the time where you sit down with a professional and analyze your situation. See if this is the best time for you to sell or if it's better for you to wait. Same thing goes for buyers. Perhaps you want to maybe take some time just to make sure that these interest payments are a little bit more in your favor, combined with pricing. And renters, you got to have your stuff ready. We've been saying this, we're sounding like a broken record. You got to have your stuff ready. Rents, I think, are going to continue to be a hot topic. Maybe not maybe not that 20% increase that we've seen, but definitely something that people are leaning towards as a lot of buyers are waiting on the sidelines to jump into this market. So, patience, sitting down with a qualified professional, and coming out with a plan is my advice to every single segment in real estate today. Thanks for watching. We'll be taking a break in the month of December and seeing you again in January so we can recap the whole year 2022 in real estate.